Can you remind me, can you modify the contents of a list while looping over it? No. Well, yes, if you're using a for loop, you can. If you are using a for each loop, you cannot. There's a very, very good reason why that's not possible. So if I were to say my list.add 10 right here, you'll notice I get a nice little exception. Collection was modified, enumeration operation may not execute. That's very important.
Did you cover the for loops, the decrementing for loops in 101? I can't recall.
Yeah, we talked about that.
Reverse fors.
Yeah, we talked about they can increment and decrement.
Cool. I was just thinking, because if you remove something from a list, it's going to explode otherwise.
Yeah. Item in that for each loop is a generic item and not a type. Yeah, this is a variable. We are actually declaring a variable inside of these parentheses by saying int, which is the type of the variable, item, which is the name of the variable, and then specifying using the in keyword, which is only valid within for each loops, and then specifying my list as the collection we're enumerating.